In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a gift card on Uber Eats. If you've received an Uber Eats gift card and want to add it to your account, the process is very simple and only takes a minute. Once the gift card is redeemed, the value is usually added to your Uber cash balance, which you can then use toward eligible Uber Eats orders. To get started, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This is important because once a gift card is added, the balance will go to that account. If needed, take a moment to confirm that you're logged into the profile where you want the funds to be stored. After that, tap on Account, which is the profile icon in the app. This will open your account settings and payment-related options. From there, select Wallet. The Wallet section is where Uber Eats stores your payment methods, credits, and available balance information. Once you're in Wallet, look for the option that says Add Payment Method or Plus Gift Card. The wording may vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but both options will lead you to the same place. Tap that option to continue. Next, choose Gift Card. This tells the app that you want to redeem a gift card rather than add a credit card, debit card, or another payment option. Now enter the gift card code exactly as it appears on the card or in the digital message where you received it. Be careful to type it correctly and do not include spaces unless the app adds them automatically. If a character looks unclear, it can help to double check similar looking letters and numbers before submitting. Taking an extra second here can help avoid an error. Once the code is entered, tap Add or Save. After that, the gift card value should be applied to your Uber cash balance. You may see the updated balance appear in your wallet, confirming that the redemption was successful. From that point on, when you place an order on Uber Eats, your Uber cash balance can be used as a payment method if it's available for that purchase. If the full order total is higher than your gift card balance, the remaining amount can typically be covered using another payment method already linked to your account. And that's it.